men were not given that much of importance. They were always treated as props. So, then I decided that why not come with a concept which focuses and portrays more on men. And hence I came up with a high fashion men calendar, wherein I thought that I'll give them an opportunity to be, taken in all the pageants across the world. And even in Mr. India's, most of my models were picked up. Hence this concept of Illusioner High Fashion Men Calendar.
So was it easy during the, we all have gone through a tough time in 2020 and it's a good start with 2021. How easy or difficult was it to sail through putting the shoot together, getting the right faces?
Okay, so now 2020 was the toughest year, not just for me, I think for everybody. And me and Amit, I think we have faced it throughout the year. And Amit would be the right person to tell you what all went through both of us.
Amit, the calendar, we just had a sneak peek, it looks lovely. So what were the difficulties that you faced and how easy or difficult was it to put this together?
Well, honestly speaking, firstly, all men say that nobody speaks about us and nobody cares for us. But here, Illusioner is actually speaking for the men, and it talks about the pressures that they face in society, which is being masculine is the biggest pressure that men today face. But they think that men cannot cry, men cannot be scared. I think our calendar gives them the freedom to be themselves however they are. So that's a great start to 2021. Obviously, 2020 was a very difficult year for all of us. We all went through a lot of personal obstacles, and obviously the entire world was facing COVID. But in our calendar, we did not want to speak about the difficult times because we are letting them go behind us. This is a fresh beginning for a brilliant year and for a brilliant years actually to come. So it was very difficult. I got COVID and Runa had to postpone the shoot, and there were other problems that had come up as well. But I think that today we are standing here so proud of each and every person who's contributed immensely to this calendar, and we are presenting Illusioner 2021. We finally made it, we finally did it, and well, hopefully to 2021 will be a better year for everyone around the world.
So Runa, the talent which is featuring on the calendar, we would like to know about that.
So we have all the good names from the industry this year, and I would not like to disclose the name right now. Once we unveil the calendar, we will show you who all are there in the calendar. Coming to the theme of the calendar this year, we depict different emotions of men. And when we were conceptualizing, Create and Young, Dhaval is from the agency, we both sat together, we decided as to what concept we would come up with. And all the three of us, Amit, Dhaval and me, we came up with this concept called where we decided that we should portray different emotions of men. As Amit rightly mentioned that men cannot cry, men cannot be sensitive or overprotective. So we showed different emotions of men in the calendar. Dhaval, add to it.
We started this whole assignment in the month of December, and we had something in our mind where we wanted to describe exactly what men is all about. And when we started pouring those words, what men can do, and suddenly we have a lot of narration happening, a lot of description happening for men. And that's why Amit, we were sitting down and we said, okay, let's get to those wonderful words which can relate with a person who's a man, and then design the whole concept around that itself. So that's the way we went through a different journey altogether to get this whole calendar this time.
Well, I know Amit very well because we've shot something before for a magazine, and through that I came to know Runa. और ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट था मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इस बार ध्यान मर्दों पे दिया जा रहा है. जनरली कैलेंडर पे औरतें, सेक्सी औरतें होती हैं, बहुत ही very good, great bodies and all the accomplishment. तो हाँ, तो फाइनली एक कैलेंडर है जहाँ पे हम मर्द भी फीचर हो सकते हैं. But on a serious note, I just like the idea and the concept about men who have achieved something in their lives, and I'm very honored to be a part of the group of people who are also been selected. हर एक ने बहुत अपने लाइफ में वो मकाम पाया है जो यूनिक है, जो अलग है, जिसका अनोखा अंदाज है, and I think we need to celebrate that. So yeah, it was a celebration, of life, and it gives inspiration to the other people also. So I'm very happy to partner up with Runa and do this calendar with Amit. He's a brilliant photographer, as we all know. So thanks for the opportunity. Yeah.
And Terence is on the cover of the calendar, and he's depicting the mood, his creativity.
Yes.
So Amit will tell. Have you seen the calendar?
I haven't.
Oh, no. Okay.
just gonna
I'll
show it
get
to you.
Yes. Amit,
I
please
haven't.
tell about the calendar. Shubham.
So basically, Terence is portraying the emotion of being creative yet manly. I think I don't need to say why is Terence depicting that particular emotion. He's fabulous, and I would just like to say that even when we were shooting his shot, he had a little bit of a back problem, and he had to do all those stunts and jump and everything. And not for once did he make us feel that he's not comfortable. I think it's always been a pleasure interacting with Terence, to work with him. I think he's one of the he poses better than most of the models.
Absolutely.
He is stunning. I mean, he's got the perfect body, and he's just fabulous in front of the camera. It's always a pleasure clicking him. It's an
And I
absolute
really
pleasure.
wanted to mention one thing, that when Terence was there and we were like, makeup taiyar karo, and he was one person with the calendar who did not need one single touch up or a makeup on his face.
that's true.
He was completely, what porcelain skin he had, amazing glow.
Thank you. Actually, the idea was to get the job done fast. Makeup would have taken 45 minutes more. I said,
he
"ऐसे
didn't
ही काम
need it,
चला लो."
Terence.
Yeah, thank God for that. Push नहीं है. But thank you. Wow, that's the calendar. Wow, that's a big one. Oh, amazing. That's me. Yes. Thank you, Amit. You make me look fabulous.
No, you're
Thank you
looking
for
great,
this.
and these are the poses that I was talking about. He actually did this with all the pain and everything that he was facing that day. I think he's fabulous.
Thank you. फिर बाद में मलम घसना पड़ा. It was it was painful, but it's all well that ends well. So thank you so much. Thank you, Amit, for making
and
us look so good.
Xenia, they are the ones behind the printing of the calendar.
Fabulous. I like the quality. I like the fact that it's not glossy and it's matte finish. Fantastic choices. Thank you. Looks great. Thank you.
आई थिंक बड़ा अच्छा था. मैंने अमित के साथ मेरे करियर की शुरुआत की है. सो इट्स अगेन आई एम हियर अगेन आफ्टर 9 years. आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद अमित. आई एम फीचर्ड इन द मंथ ऑफ मे where I'm looking so good. So I'm glad to be a part of it.
This is a very different calendar. ऐसे men's के emotions बाहर
Yes.
आ रहा है. And what's your emotion and which month are you featuring?
See, I'm featuring in the month of May. The emotion is men are sensitive too. So I have a very manly look like I have right now. So I've given very straight forward look where men are sensitive too. So you can see in my eyes.
So Runa and Amit have done a splendid work in bringing
Yeah.
all this together. उनको क्या wishes देना चाहेंगे for English?
I think good luck because you guys are doing a wonderful job. You have made such good pictures, such beautiful men around you, and I think you should do it more.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you.
Done? Okay, कूली के ऊपर.
हाँ, आइए.
Ready? हाँ, मैं पूछ रही हूँ. Okay, so recently आपकी movie आई कूली #1. You were looking, your stunts, your actions were amazing.
Thank you.
उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
See, Coolie #1 बड़ा अच्छा experience रहा है. I think to be featured in a movie which came 25 years ago. एक remake आया, बड़ा अच्छा remake था, and I've been lucky to be a part of it. बड़ा अच्छा experience रहा है to part of a legendary movie, and I'm getting a lot of appreciation, which is nice.
How was it working with Varun and Sara?
It was good to work with Varun again and David sir again. I think Sara के साथ काम करके बड़ा अच्छा लगा. बहुत ही chirpy, bubbly actress है. I think I would love to work with Sara again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So आज Illusion 2021 का launch है after the dreadful year of 2020. Yes. Amazing calendar है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
It's a wonderful calendar and a fresh breath of air because actually इतने lockdown के बाद and 2020 is over and it's 21, so we're really looking forward for it.
Yeah, actually, and as they say, साल की शुरुआत धमाकेदार होनी चाहिए. तो आई
धमाकेदार हुई है.
हमारा धमाका का, आपका, हम सब का साल बहुत धमाकेदार हो. And I wish everyone is healthy, happy, and rollicking, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yes, actually.
Like people say globally, or it is understood that okay, only woman is the one who shows a lot of emotion, but there are emotions with men also, which I think depicting in the calendar. Though I have not seen the calendar, I'm just still waiting for it to come. But I'm sure the faces which she's taken are from very different kind of fields, and they are actors, they are LGBT people, and I think so. I think that's the best thing, like which she has taken initiative or of keep taking a different people from different fields and making her calendar so successful. And she's a very hardworking, because I know when she did one calendar, I was a teaser, I was on a teaser cover, and she did a very, very great job. And I wish you all the best, Luna. Keep on doing good things, because there are very less people. Like everybody says, okay, woman plays a very important role. Woman is a glam quotient to the society. Woman, everything. But Runa is the only woman who's taken an initiative of launching a men's calendar, which is a very, very good thing. And because I think men also are very glamorous. Men also need that kind of attention what women needs. And I think so. I wish her all the best, and I'm sure next calendar will be better than this one. I think so. The kind of platform we all are in, the kind of color palette we all are using, men are becoming very experimental these days. Though they are changing. The mindset is changing. They are more experimental. They are more ready to take any challenges. Before, they were very old school. Therefore, they used to have only one silhouette. But now, they are ready to go out there and try new experiments. Like designers like me and other designers, I'm not naming them, have come up with a very different kind of collection. They are so. I don't think so now. Things are the way we are, heading towards, and I think they all are changing their mindset. They are ready to explore. They're ready to experiment. They're ready to try different cuts and different silhouette, and they are becoming very fashionable. But yes, except a few men, which is little old school. But most of the men, like Ranveer Singh, is a very good example. Like he has set a benchmark where what fashion is all about. From the bold avatar, he never cared for how the people can troll him. But his trolling gives him strength to try something very different. So I think so. These are the beautiful examples which we said globally that men are becoming very experimental these days. Thank you so much for talking to me.
The look that you're carrying in the calendar, you look dapper. What is the emotion that you're carrying, and what do you have to say about the whole experience?
First of all, I'm very, very grateful to be a part of this calendar because we're celebrating diversity within men, and I just came out for the third time as gender fluid. So I identify as a non-binary person, which basically means that my pronouns are he, she, they. So a lot of people, look at me and they wonder what they want to call me. I mean, what they should call me, whether they should refer to me as he, she, or something else. And I think that this calendar very beautifully portrays the diversity within one person and as well as other people. So I think it's just amazing to see such celebration of humanity in the calendar, and I am portraying androgyny, which I usually do I've been doing for 14 years now, and so I'm just happy that I'm representing a part of the community, which is the LGBTQI plus community, at such a level, and alongside Terence, who I used to work for when I was like 16 and 17, and I was a trainer with him. So it's amazing to work with Terence again, and Terence is always lovely and he's very supportive, and hats off to Amit for putting all of us together, and the team Rishabh, and the stylists and the makeup artists, the hairstylists, and Runa. Of course, Runa has done a fabulous job as well, making us all laugh through the whole process. If this is too much English, I can speak 5 more languages. Just saying. You have to just stop me and say, Ata Marathit bola.
So what wishes would you like to give to everyone? 2020 has been really a bad year for all of us.
2020 is cancelled. 2020 is cancelled from the calendar. So I am still 29 because of that. I will decide when I turn 30. And 2021 is definitely going to be a better year. And I hope that everyone takes care and is precautious. Just be safe, not only for yourself but also for people around you.
Thank you.
For the calendar?
Yes.
Well, this was my first time that I ever went for a calendar shoot. When Runa told me, I was wondering what a male calendar is all about, because so far all my experience has been on the female calendars. So initially I didn't take her seriously. I went there hoping there's nothing much going to happen, but it was a very different experience. Every minute of it I enjoyed, and then she had to shoo me away, saying, go, the other person is coming. So I had to leave that place, but overall, awesome experience.
So September is the month you're featuring in. What is the kind of flamboyance that you're exhibiting?
Well, come September, it's always been a great month to have because the rains are getting over, and it's a nice time to celebrate. September has a very special occasion because I started my business also in the month of September, and I'm hoping Runa does what she promised me. She's going to make a rocking calendar. I'm looking forward to see what's going to happen today, and I'm very excited as much as she is. Thank you.
We would even want him to tell us his association of Zycom with the fashion calendar.
Well, we are a security brand, and security is a very serious business. It is not a glamour business. So when she told me, Pramod, you need to sponsor, I said, hey, listen, this is all serious stuff. Murder, crime, blood, all that. She said, no, but you should get associated glamour. It will make it much better. So since we have the high regards and respect for her, but today when I look back, I think our decision was right. It is a good thing to be associated glamour because nobody's interested in serious stuff. Everybody is interested in glamour and fashion.
Yeah.
So thank you, Runa, for that. And I know we didn't pay you much, but we are getting a lot of value out of that for sure.
Thank you so much.
So basically, it is the launch of one of my friend's property, like Runa, as we are like two close best friends. So we thought, why don't we launch two things together, which is Illusioner and Dhamaka together at the same time.
What do you have to say about Illusioner?
Illusioner, I think we all look forward every year for the launch of Illusioner, as like we all are friends and we are a part of it every year. So I think we all wait for it, and of course Illusioner this time is very different. So we are waiting for its launch like in some time.
So when I got to know that Dhamaka is launching and it's Salman is part of it, I just bounced on an idea and I caught hold of him and I said that I want to launch Illusioner with you. And he was very excited about the idea because even he was launching Dhamaka, and then we both decided a particular date, and Aniket, Salman, we and all of us came up with this particular date. They say 13th अच्छा date नहीं होता है, but I think for us it's amazing. So hence Illusioner and Dhamaka today together we are launching this property. Illusioner as a calendar and Dhamaka as a club.
Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
मुंबई रफ्तार न्यूज़ की खबरें पसंद आने पर हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें।